discuss about some examples which are based on whatever we have been discussed in our previous lecture. Now look toward this. There is a mixed example. Okay, here is the two rings and there is the double bond between the two rings and some heteroatom is joined to the outside of the ring in the form of the ketone, and we just find out whether this compound is aromatic, anti-aromatic or non-aromatic in nature. Okay, let's start. It is the mixed example. Okay, always remember that. Now look toward, this is a 7-membered ring. You should count first carbon atom, how much membered ring is given here. Okay, then there is the planar one, then but look, here is the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, therefore planarity is disturbed for this ring and therefore this ring is non aromatic in nature. Okay, then look toward this is the benzene ring and one double bond is not present over here, and of course here is the sp3 carbon atom and therefore this ring is also goes under the head of non-aromatic compound. Look, it is also 7-membered ring and 6 pi electron is present, but here is a positive charge and therefore what happened, the complete delocalization due to the charge shifting have been possible here, and therefore this molecule is aromatic in nature because the system is 6 pi electron system. Okay, now look toward this. This is also the same 7-membered ring. 6 pi electron means 3 double bonds are present and here is the negative charge, and therefore what happened, 8 pi electrons are present. How many? 8 pi electrons, and therefore this system is anti-aromatic in nature. Now friends, this is the quinoline molecule, and quinoline molecule is here is aromatic and here is also the aromatic. The double bond, the lone pair from the nitrogen atom cannot be participated in the delocalization process, and therefore it is the aromatic compound due to the 10 pi electron system. Now this ring, here is a 3 benzene ring is attached to each other, and each and every, it is a cyclic planar and delocalization have been possible here, and therefore that is also the aromatic in nature. Now come here, here is the how many nitrogen, instead of carbon the nitrogen is present and every nitrogen is bonded with double bond except of this nitrogen. Therefore the lone pair of electron from this nitrogen is take part in delocalization process, and therefore what happened, this is the 6 pi electron system and it's known as the aromatic in nature. So friend, this is the hydrogen atom joined to the nitrogen, therefore lone pair of electron cannot, when also the nitrogen joined with the carbon with a double bond and delocalization is possible here, lone pair of electron cannot participation in the reaction and therefore it is known as aromatic due to the 6 pi electron system. The system in this case, look, it is a 3 pi electrons, 3 double bond, and therefore what happens, this is a 6 pi electron and this nitrogen is attached to hydrogen with a single bond, therefore lone pair of electron is free for the delocalization process, and therefore what happened, the 8 pi electron system is observed. It is a cyclic complete conjugation but 8 pi electron system, and therefore it is the anti-aromatic in nature. Okay, now look toward this. Here is the 4 electrons and 2 electron is free for the delocalization from the oxygen atom, and therefore what happened, the complete delocalization is observed in this ring and therefore this ring is aromatic. Now same thing, this is very simple one example, aromatic. Now friends, look toward, this is the interesting example. Okay, here is the 2 oxygen atom bonded to the cyclobutene ring, and what happened, as we know that as the nature of the heteroatom, the negative charge is pulled toward the oxygen, and therefore what happened, the negative charge is goes toward the oxygen atom, and after charge separation we will be get the negative charge here. Okay, negative charge here, of course the positive charge is here, and the delocalization is possible due to the shifting of the charge. And what happened, friends? It is the 2 pi electron system is made completely planar. Delocalization, complete conjugation is possible due to the positive charge, and therefore this system is also aromatic. Now we come toward the next example, this example. Okay, now this is the benzene ring. The benzene ring is aromatic, but when we consider this is a lone pair of electron and positive charge here, the shifting is possible but conjugation is not possible, and therefore this is the non-aromatic system. When we consider about the two rings which are joined to each other, and one ring is non-aromatic or anti-aromatic and another one is aromatic or non-aromatic, at that time overall conclusion is non-aromatic in nature. Now friends, look toward this. As per the above view, or as per the criteria, negative charge is come to here, and here is a positive charge. Lone pair of electron is present, and therefore what happened? Complete delocalization of the pi electron is possible. 6 pi electron system. It is a stable one, and it's known as what? Aromatic. Friend, look. Don't think about whether the charge is separated or not. Look toward this. This is the sp3 carbon atom. Therefore, it is non-aromatic in nature. Here is the 4 rings. Okay. And each ring here is a 4 ring, and each ring is containing the double bond. Okay friends, in this case what happens, you just study this ring and these 2 rings, and overall result you will be get the aromatic. Now this is a 2 ring system. Here the lone pair of electron participated in the conjugation, or like this. If double bond is shift toward this one is shifting, and therefore this is the aromatic. Now, yeah, this is the conclusive part. When we shift negative charge here, okay, that time what happens? Both the ring goes to the anti-aromatic in nature, and therefore I just shift negative charge toward this. I will get here positive charge, here is the negative charge, and therefore it is a 6 pi electron system with negative charge, and here is a 6 pi electron system with a positive charge, and therefore this system is known as aromatic. In this case there is one problem. When we shift positive charge here or there, one ring may be aromatic, another ring is anti-aromatic, and therefore overall nature of this compound is anti-aromatic. You just calculate, we have already discussed it. Then same thing is happen here. When we shift the negative charge here, this system become a 6 pi electron system, this system become a 4 pi electron system. This is the aromatic, this is the anti-aromatic, and therefore overall nature of this molecule is anti-aromatic. Okay, let's we discuss some another examples.